Today, we're going to be installing the brand new Visconti tuning gateway bypass harness. When you order this off of our website, this is everything that you get. You get one of these harnesses, some zip ties that are included, as well as additional information on Visconti's website. The first step is to disconnect our battery. So we're going to come up to the cubby here, pull these two tabs and pull up. Next, you'll take these push pins out for this cubby plastic. Once these are all removed, you can just pull up and put that with your battery cover. We are good to go ahead and remove our negative terminal. Make sure you put this somewhere safe. Go ahead and remove this cover completely. To remove this module, you have two tabs, one here and one right here. Press both of them at the same time and pull up. And now we have full access to the IPDM.
Pull out and just flip that over.
Locate the IPDM connector.
Ignore all this. You want to look at this one right here. There's a tab right here. You push it in, pull it out like that, and this is where you're gonna hijack
on your harness. This is the Visconti harness now.
And then go right here, and that hijacks it. All the wires go out to the bottom, so just push everything down there. That way you can still close this cover. Yeah. Put this back.
IPDM all connected, and now we'll just add power and ground.
12 volt for power. I'm just gonna add this to right there. And put this back. Ground, I'm gonna choose one of these bolts right here. Right there.
The ground is on the chassis.
Right there, yep. Right here. I'm just gonna put it right here for now, just for demonstration purposes, because I'm taking this right back off after. Put this back. Click that back in.
Go ahead and reinstall the plastics that we removed earlier, held in by your plastic pins.
Now you have this OBD2 available right here. I'm gonna put the negative terminal back on.
Reinstall your plastic push pins on your plastic cover.
Now you're gonna grab your Ecotech module. Yours may look like this with our logo on it, but I'm gonna use this one. They work the same way. It's just this. I have this on hand and I have the wire to it. Connect that to the laptop, and then I have my desk key plugged in as well. You will flash this like any normal too. If you want a more detailed instruction on how to flash your car data log and all that stuff, watch our other video on how to set up and use Ecotech Pro ECU. And then you're gonna open the file that you want flash. So open file, open custom ROM file, find the file you just got, and then I have it open right here. I'll plug this into the new OBD2 we just added. Like that. And then I'm gonna go in the car and turn the ignition on. Double click. Have AC off, lights off, just to conserve some battery. And just like any other car that you will flash. Tools, detect vehicle, program ECU, hit program, and then click yes on the warning, and then let it flash. Okay, now once it's flashed, it's gonna tell you to turn the ignition off. It's gonna ask you to cycle the ignition. Click that.
So once you get your first prompt to ignition off,
turn ignition on. Let it load. That's it. Just like the normal process, it's gonna ask you if you want to clear codes. We recommend yes, clear codes, and then it's gonna ask you to cycle the ignition again, and that's it. All
right. Switch the ignition off. All right, switch ignition on and wait.
All right, and that's it.
Program is now complete.
And you can close everything and start the car.
And that is how you flash your 2025 Nissan Z with the gateway bypass harness from Visconti Tuning.